We're coming to you this week from the Bombay store in Mumbai, and we start off our episode with a showcase on a startup from the education sector. Now, what do we know about the Indian education system? That good teachers are hard to come by, that it's disorganized, chaotic, and in short, very far from world class. Well, today's startup may just be the start of a revolution. Here's Top Chocks.
Every time the base will keep on taking up this hydrogen, and from this side haloform reaction will not be obtained.
Detailed study material plus recorded lectures plus online access equals to topchocks.com. Distance learning 21st century style. Launched exactly 12 months ago by two Silicon Valley NRIs, Dinesh Mehta and Narendra Organti, topchocks.com is the result of their desire to bring quality education straight to the student's desktop. The duo began at the school level, roping in teachers from schools like DPS and Bal Bharti to help create study material based on NCERT textbooks for class 12.
Keto-methyl groups are responsible for haloform reaction.
They then recorded the narration over whiteboard demos to complete the e-learning package, so that students like Shilpa, who are unable to understand the formulae from books and don't want to waste time and money on overpriced coaching classes, can get it right by paying attention to a virtual teacher's voice, played over and over and over till she gets it.
I could listen to the teacher at any time of the day. My concepts became very clear, and I was more focused here because there were no distractions like I used to face in my classroom.
The idea was simple. We all know the well-known problem. The quality of educational system is, well, not really up to scratch. The solution: replicate the classroom experience without the restriction of walls, timing and even location. Former roomies, the two laid the foundation of the dream venture Katura system in 2006 by pooling in their savings, a staggering $1.4 million, proof enough of their determination and intent. But it was 2 years before they get off the ground, time they spent understanding the market and picking the one way to work e-learning transmission on bandwidths that are, well, embarrassing.
We had to first figure out what kind of technology that we can incorporate. And looking at the market, we really couldn't figure out an appropriate technology. So we had to first build that technology. So in order to build the technology, I had to have a team of people who understood what is it that we want to do. So there was a lot of skunk works that went on, and in doing so, finding the appropriate team, the challenge of keeping the team for a good duration of time was the big challenge.
Once they got over that hump, they found their savings weren't enough to accomplish this vision. Enter their knight, Draper Fisher, in shining armor worth $3 million in April 2008. The fund were used to create studios and a pool of talent that constitutes 15 editors and 35 other employees. Last problem then: quality content developers. Final solution: go to content developers instead of hoping they'll come to you. Dinesh managed to bring on S.C. Goyal, a class 12th mathematics teacher from Bal Bharti.
I agree that there is no substitute for classroom teaching learning. But at times, you need to learn some topics in advance so that you can keep pace with your competition classes. Or maybe you have missed some classes to participate in sports or other extracurricular activities.
One down and they are not going to rest. Months of networking and persuasive presentations brought in 13 instructors from school like Salwan Public School, who gave a thumbs up to TopChocks' revenue share model.
People who have been teaching for a number of years, the incentive for them really is to actually get to the masses. They don't quite care for the money right now. With instructors in that category, we have a revenue share model where we provide them with a certain percentage of the revenue that we derive from the sales. Then there are other extremely bright instructors, although they are young instructors but very bright. For them, the incentive is to get compensated well for the core competence that they have. So those were the kind of instructors who we incentivized by providing them with the value or with the monetary compensation that they think that they deserve. So we have a range of value proposition.
Riding high on value addition of CBSE Top Chalks, Katura system developed course material for 5 subjects on CBSE Class 12, and in no time, similar material for Punjab and Haryana board was created too. And today, students can access virtual lesson on CAT, SAT and other entrance exams. The product made of detailed concepts, a slew of exhaustive problems and solutions and forums for interactive Q&A help students solve problems by themselves. But what's the USP that attracted more than 3,000 subscribers, including schools like Mount Carmel and DPS to Top Chalks?
The solutions are available in the schools where we charge, per student. We can even install the solution in a library where we have an annual charge. We have learning centers where the students after school hours can go to the learning centers, which are again digital libraries, where the students can get their questions answered whenever they want. The content is also available in the form of CDs, where the students can buy a CD after checking out the content in a library or in the school and make an informed decision that this is the kind of content that they need as a supplemental content at their home. So, and each part is priced anywhere between 50 rupees a month to 1400 rupees for the entire year.
Taking this comprehensive content to students and institutes, TopChalks.com expects to break even next year.
With internet penetration being at such abysmal levels in the country, starting off an e-learning company is ambitious to say the least. But Top Chalks has demonstrated that as long as you're focused, there's no harm in trying it.